shift schedule can affect much more than just work hours. It can impact transportation, family responsibilities, health, childcare, education, and overall work-life balance. Sometimes employees receive a schedule change that creates serious difficulties, even when they are committed to their job. In situations like this, a shift schedule appeal letter gives employees a professional way to explain their concerns and request a reasonable adjustment without sounding confrontational. A shift schedule appeal letter is a formal letter written by an employee to request a change to an assigned work schedule. The purpose is to explain why the current schedule creates difficulties, propose an alternative, and seek a solution that works for both the employee and the employer. Today, we're going to break down a professional shift schedule appeal letter step by step so you understand exactly how to write one clearly, respectfully, and effectively. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the employee's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies who is making the request and provides contact information for follow-up communication. Always make sure your information is accurate and professional. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is June 12, 2026. The date documents when the appeal was submitted and helps establish a timeline for the request. Never skip the date in a formal workplace letter. Recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information, including the manager's name, title, company name, and address. This section ensures that the appeal is directed to the appropriate supervisor or manager responsible for scheduling decisions. Using the correct recipient helps the request appear organized and professional. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject. Appeal for adjustment of assigned work shift. This is a clear and professional subject line because it immediately explains the purpose of the letter. A strong subject line helps managers quickly understand what the request is about. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Ms. Hart, this is a formal and respectful salutation appropriate for workplace communication. Even when requesting a change, it is important to maintain a professional tone throughout the letter. Introduction and purpose of the appeal. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This section immediately explains why the employee is writing. The manager should understand the purpose of the letter right away. The paragraph says, I am writing to respectfully appeal my recently assigned work schedule and request consideration for a shift adjustment. This is a strong opening because it is direct, polite, and professional. Notice that the employee frames the request respectfully rather than demanding a change. Explanation of the schedule change and its impact. Next comes the paragraph explaining the current schedule and why it creates difficulties. This section provides important context for the request. The paragraph reads, I greatly value my position at Sunrise Distribution Services and remain committed to fulfilling my responsibilities to the best of my ability. However, I recently received a schedule change that places me on the overnight shift from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., effective June 15, 2026. While I understand that scheduling decisions are made to meet operational needs, this change presents significant challenges for me due to personal and family obligations. This paragraph works well because it balances professionalism with honesty. The employee acknowledges the company's operational needs while clearly explaining that the new schedule creates real difficulties. That balance is important in workplace appeals. Specific reason for the request. Now let's move into the next paragraph. A strong appeal should include a specific and reasonable explanation for the request. The paragraph says, Specifically, I am responsible for transporting my younger sibling to and from school during weekday mornings, a commitment that I have maintained for the past 2 years. The overnight schedule would make it extremely difficult for me to meet these responsibilities while also maintaining the level of performance expected in my role. This paragraph is effective because it explains the situation clearly without sharing unnecessary personal details. When writing your own appeal, focus on practical reasons that help the employer understand the conflict. Request for an alternative schedule. Next comes the section where the employee proposes a solution. A good appeal does not only describe the problem, it also suggests a reasonable alternative. The paragraph reads, I respectfully request consideration for reassignment to either the morning shift or afternoon shift if available. I am willing to discuss alternative scheduling arrangements and remain flexible regarding hours that can accommodate both the company's needs and my circumstances. This is a strong request because it is specific, flexible, and cooperative. Employers are often more receptive when employees show willingness to work toward a practical solution, professionalism, and work record. Now let's look at the next paragraph. This section reminds the employer of the employee's reliability and commitment to the job. The paragraph says, throughout my employment, I have consistently maintained strong attendance, arrived on time for scheduled shifts, and worked diligently to support my team. I remain fully committed to contributing positively to the organization and hope that a mutually beneficial solution can be reached. This paragraph helps strengthen the appeal by showing that the employee is responsible and dependable. When requesting a schedule change, it can be helpful to briefly highlight your positive work history and commitment to the organization. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the manager for reviewing the request and expresses willingness to discuss the matter further. The paragraph reads, Thank you for taking the time to review my appeal and consider my request. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to discuss this matter further and explore any available options. This is a strong closing because it remains respectful and professional while encouraging further conversation. Closing and signature. The letter ends with, Sincerely, Logan Murphy. Always end a formal workplace letter with a professional closing and your full name. If the letter is being printed and submitted physically, include your handwritten signature above your typed name. A shift schedule, appeal letter should remain calm, respectful, and solution-oriented. Focus on explaining the scheduling conflict clearly, proposing a reasonable alternative, and showing flexibility whenever possible. Avoid blaming management or sounding confrontational. Employers are more likely to consider requests positively when they are presented professionally and cooperatively. Most importantly, be specific about the schedule issue, the impact it has on you, and the type of adjustment you are requesting. And that's how you write a professional shift schedule appeal letter step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.